Pinakamatapang na Mexican warrior, si Cesar Juarez. Naganap ito noong ika-11 araw ng Disyembre, 2015 sa Coliseo Roberto Clemente sa San Juan, Puerto Rico. Bago ang laban, bit-bit ni Donaire ang record na 35 panalo at 3 talo, samantalang si Juarez ay may 17 panalo at 3 talo. Dumayo ang dalawang mandirigma sa Puerto Rico upang paglalabanan ang bakanteng WBO World Super Bantamweight title. Para kay Donaire, bagamat nasungkit ni Donaire ang titulo, hindi ito naging madali. Mula umpisa hanggang huling segundo, walang takot na sumugod ang matibay na Meksikano. Dito sinubok ng husto ang puso, galing at tibay ng Pinoy champion. Ngayon, sabay-sabay nating balikan ang mabangis at makasaysayang laban ni Nonito Donaire kontra Cesar Juarez.
Again, much more to come from Puerto Rico.
At ngayong darating na ika-17 ng Disyembre ngayong taon, muling babalik sa loob ng ring ang legendary Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire, para harapin ang 29 na taong gulang na Japanese warrior na si Seiya Tsutsumi. Magtatagumpay kaya ang veteranong Pinoy laban sa mas batang mandirigma? Si Tsutsumi ay hindi basta-basta. Tinalo niya ang nakababatang kapatid ni Naoya Inoue. Dahilan kaya inaasahan na magiging napakalaking hamon ang laban na ito para kay Donaire. Ngayon, panoorin muna natin ang maikling highlights ng laban ni Seiya Tsutsumi kontra Takuma Inoue na naganap noong October 13, 2024.
It's been an exciting calculation. And a flurry of trying to get caught with the shot or is in any bit of trouble. He's been...
Yeah, Inoue is just being calculated. And very defensively sound.
To throw, he can land.
He's got a slippery defense.
When they understand that Inoue is like, you know, the cleaner. Stand there and trade with him. Tsutsumi's got to be careful. Inoue lands a right hand.
Yeah, very good round for Tsutsumi so far. The fight that he wants this inside fight. This rubber, it's working this round.
And the right hand to the body with the left hand. Inoue does a good job slipping away from the...
Inoue's distance.
Great round and round. Inoue answers back. Hand lands up top for Tsutsumi as using his shoulders and kind of deflecting the shot. He doesn't really lands around the guard of the right hand. I mean, those are clear.
One jab at a time.
Champion Takuma Inoue making 6.
Just an onslaught.
With the right hand to the body.
Tsutsumi avoiding that.
Sa laban na ito, parehong hapon at parehong mas bata ang dalawang mandirigma, kaya't naging isang napakagandang showdown. Si Takuma Inoue, kilala bilang volume puncher, ay walang tigil sa pagbibitaw ng kombinasyon. Ngunit hindi rin nagpahuli si Seiya Tsutsumi na handang sumagot ng suntok at makipagsabayan mula bell to bell, toe to toe.
This last minute really good. The challenger, and he's thrown in a lot more
with these. Already on the ropes. Just crazy that he's able to maintain this work rate.
I mean, because some of these are scoring as well. I mean, he's consistently work, and that's exactly what Tsutsumi has done, but not enough. Down to the body with the left hand.
Sitting down on these punches.
And a barrage of held him up, then that has to be
1,000 punches. Now is his opportunity. He's never been there professionally.
Shot from Inoue. Uppercut.
Inoue
with the left hand. Right back.
Changes the whole fight. That right hand. It's that right. Yeah, I mean any normal human, but.
But this is what you want to see. Class is so entertaining to watch.
Yeah, they just don't stop. Very fatigued.
Umabot sa sukdulan ang laban para sa dalawang mandirigma. Parehong ibinuhos ang lahat mula simula hanggang huling kampana. Sa huli nanaig si Seiya Tsutsumi via unanimous decision na nagpapatunay sa kanyang tibay, determinasyon at husay sa loob ng ring.
two from up against the ropes as they embrace.
Perfectly.
And the new
WBA Bantamweight World Champion. Team 110 was very wide. That scorecard is a world champion.